The onions are back. We got our mac and cheese cooking. I'd just like to take this moment to say that it smells absolutely amazing, so I'm excited. With that being said, we are now ready to do our side dish, which this is Italian style sweet peas cooked on a skillet. I think I have a little too many for a skillet, so I'm just gonna use a large pot. This one seems pretty straightforward. It sounded good, so I wanted to try it. I seem to say that with everything. The total cost for all of these things, I think, ended up being like $4. I already had this, so that wasn't included. And of course, like, I already had all of these too, so it's probably more. But peas are only like $2 a piece, so it's great. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started by cutting up the dreaded onion. I will not be defeated by an onion. Oh. Okay, now we're done. Time to cook things. Yay. At this point, we let it finish cooking. Since I doubled the ingredients, you can see that it kind of lost all the heat, so I don't know how much longer I need to cook this compared to the regular one, but I guess we'll see. So, it's done. I just kind of guessed. That was about like 10 minutes, I think. I don't know how to count. So let's see how we did. Spicy. The last thing we'll do is salt it, because you don't want to do that while it's cooking, because then the salt absorbs all the moisture. Basically, it dehydrates them and then they don't cook completely, so you don't want to do that. And that is it. We are now ready to go. So, these peas weren't bad, but I don't know if I liked putting that much thyme on there. Thyme is kind of strong, so it kind of detracted from the flavor of the peas. Maybe next time, I don't know, maybe since these are sweet peas, maybe I'll use a sweet onion next time, because regular onion is kind of weird with them too. I don't know, I'm just used to having plain peas. Maybe I'll just do that next time, plain peas. Oh.